Hello, I am Tony Zen from Chuangxin Company. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the drawing machine in a woolen factory. In a busy woolen factory, the drawing machine is an indispensable piece of equipment. With its efficient and stable performance, it provides powerful support to the factory's production process. The primary function of the drawing machine is to quickly dry wet woolen fabrics. It features an advanced hot air circulation system that distributes heat evenly, ensuring that the fabrics are uniformly heated and achieve the desired drying effect quickly. Moreover, the drawing machine is equipped with an intelligent temperature control system. It can automatically adjust the drying temperature based on the characteristics of different woolen fabrics, thus protecting their texture from damage. The high efficiency of the drawing machine in a woolen factory means a shortened production cycle, which ultimately enhances overall production efficiency. Furthermore, the drawing machine is known for its energy saving and environmental friendliness. With its efficient, stable, and energy-saving features, it is an indispensable device in a woolen factory, bringing us greater convenience and benefits. This is Tony Zen, and we'll see you next time.